Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to create a beautiful and simple artwork of a colorful bird sitting on a leafless branch. This kind of painting represents calmness, freedom and the beauty of simplicity in nature. So if you enjoy relaxing art videos, make sure to watch till the end. Before starting, let me share the idea behind this drawing. A leafless branch may look empty or lifeless at first, but when a colorful bird sits on it, it completely changes the mood. It reminds us that even in emptiness, there is always beauty and hope. That's what I am trying to express through this artwork. Now I add the final touches. I enhance the outline slightly to make the drawing clear. I also add small details to the feathers and adjust the shading if needed. Sometimes I add a soft background or keep it plain to maintain a beautiful look. And that's it, the artwork is complete. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments what you think about this artwork and tell me what I should draw next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.